Okay, this is a Lenovo 320S. Apparently I just replaced the hard disk with the SSD and upgraded to Windows 10. The SSD works well, but I think because of Windows 10 the whole thing got hang occasionally. I mean almost all the time. You use it for like maybe 10 minutes, start to hang for like 30 seconds or so, then it resumes, and you use it another 10 or 15 minutes, then it hang again. So it's unacceptable. So apparently it was actually due to not enough RAM. So when I look at the taskbar, so apparently the RAM use is like in the range of 70 to 90% almost all the time. So I just need to replace the RAM with 8 gigabit RAM. So to open this stuff up, this is actually at the back of the notebook. You just unscrew all this. I think it's like 2, 4, 8, 10, 12 screws here. Just unscrew all this 12, and then you use a pry tool. You actually just pry this off. Just pry this off. Okay, just move the pry tool like this around this. You see, around this, and then you end up taking this off. So there you go. Okay, once you open it, basically there is here EMI shield. Pop this open. Okay, then you can actually see the RAM there. So to release this, basically there is a mechanism. Okay, you push this latch together with this latch. Okay, both at the same time, so you pop this up, then you can actually pull this out from the socket. Okay, this is the original, this one is actually the original 4 gigabyte RAM, so I bought this to replace it with 8 gigabyte RAM. So I'm going to slot this into here and then put it back, cover with this EMI cover, and then put things together again. So I've been searching for 320S RAM upgrade. I couldn't find any, so this would be the first, I believe. Hope it helps you. Thank you. Bye bye.